Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying lock type and orientation so you know which parts move and why they bind. Once identified, remove the minimal trim to access the cylinder. You use a screwdriver and flashlight to see inside. Make sure to keep screws in a small container and photograph the assembly order. Apply a small amount of dry graphite or silicone spray into the keyway if the cylinder is stiff. This reduces friction without gumming up tumblers. Proceed only when you can move the cylinder slightly by hand. With the trim off, insert the key and apply light, steady torque while wiggling. You're aligning pins and freeing a seized cylinder. If that fails, spray a penetrating lubricant around the cylinder and on the bolt, then wait 5 to 10 minutes to let it seep in. Next, remove inner fasteners to expose the cam and tailpiece so you can see whether a broken tailpiece or debris is blocking movement. Make sure to note any stripped screws or bent components for replacement. You fit replacement parts, tailpiece, cam, or tumblers. If you found damage, then lubricate lightly with graphite before reassembly so moving parts stay smooth. Once reassembled, reinstall and align the strike plate so the bolt engages cleanly. Tighten screws gradually to avoid misalignment. Test the lock through 10 to 15 full cycles with the key and knob to ensure consistent operation. If jamming persists, inspect the key for wear or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.